Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at the development momentum indicators GitHub change 7 days or 30 days. These tell you whether the coding activity is speeding up or slowing down compared to the recent averages. The GitHub change 7 days measures the percentage variation in commits over the past week compared to the monthly average. It captures short-term acceleration or slowdown. The 30-day version, at the contrary, compares the last month to the quarterly average, giving you a more smooth and structural view. A positive change means development is accelerating, the team is actively coding, deploying features, fixing bugs. A negative change means things have slowed down, which could be a stabilization phase, a pause between milestones, or potentially a warning sign if it persists. Let's take Huobi for the example. With a technology score of 93 over 100, pretty good, we can see two things. The GitHub change 7 days is in neutral color, but the GitHub change 30 days is clearly in red. The 7-day dip is mild, just a small slowdown compared to the month, but the 30-day tells a bigger story. Development activity has nearly halved compared to the quarterly average. That's a significant decrease. Now, does this mean Huobi is in trouble? Not necessarily. Huobi is a mature protocol. There are natural cycles in development, periods of intense coding followed by stabilization, auditing and testing phases, but minus 47% on 30 days is worth monitoring. If it continues to decline over the next quarter, that becomes a more structural concern. Now let's take out Morpho with a technology score at 99 over 100. When we scroll down, we can see that the GitHub change 7 days and 30 days are both in neutral color. This is a mixed signal. The week is positive, recent acceleration, the month is slightly negative. The broader trend has cooled a bit, but nothing extreme in either direction. The team is active, the pace is within normal range. Transparent means nothing to worry about, nothing to celebrate either, but just keep an eye on it. And as always, when you click through the numbers, you can go directly to GitHub to see the actual commit history. Check who is committing, how frequently, and what kind of changes are being made. The numbers give you the trend, GitHub gives you the details. And a small tip, use these two together. 7 day for the short-term pulse, is the team coding right now? 30 day for the structural trend. Is development momentum building or fading? Green means acceleration, red means things are slowing down, and always consider context. A mature project will naturally have different rhythms than a project in early development. GitHub change 7 days and 30 days. Is development speeding up or slowing down? Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.